make and model, a unique, especially in classics. 1990 Chevrolet Blazer. This particular vehicle, with the same family since it was bought new up until 2021. Originally a black vehicle with much of the original paint on it, and I'll show you. There are some chips up on the front of the hood. Is the paint perfect on the hood? No, but does it still show very well, have a nice shine to it? Absolutely. Original mile vehicle. Approximately 110,000 on it. 350 V8 powered. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the chrome, the grille, headlight surrounds. Take a look at how straight these panels are in this vehicle. We're going to do a little walk all the way around it for you. Take a look under the hood. Also, at the end of this video, we're going to take it for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. But first, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, down below in the description, click on the link. It's going to take you right to our website. Phone number 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct wheels, BF Goodrich all-terrain radials, which are new, as well as new brakes, exhaust, shocks. Turn the key, get in, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, all original sheet metal. And again, look at how straight those panels are. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Up on the hood, showed you some small ones. But if you take a look down the side of the vehicle, can you find imperfections? Yes, there may be a touch up here or there, but overall condition of this early SUV, very nice. Interior, gray cloth, bucket seats up front, center console. Take a look at the top of the dash. Tell that vehicle is stored indoors. And we'll get around to the driver's side so we can take a little closer look at the interior. Start it up, let you hear it run. Left the key in the back here too, because I want to show you the power window is in working condition. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So rear window working. Of course, that's how you've done. Do the latch in the back hatch and fold it out as from the inside handle once you rolled the window down. I'm going to need these keys, so let's go ahead and grab these when we start it up. Let's hear it run. And again, take a look at how straight the panels are in this one, how nice that paint reflects, nice shine to it. Good looking rig. All right, let's go ahead, take a little closer look at this interior. Again, gray cloth buckets. Our windows power locks. Seating surfaces do appear that they have been recovered. Very nice condition. Of course, these would have the removable rear top. And you'll be able to see the second row seat a lot better in the still pictures. Let's go ahead and start this up. There's exact miles, 110,783, Carfax, no accidents indicated. Aftermarket stereo, Pioneer, and that is working. Power rear window switch here is working. Of course, your 4x4 actuator lever. And again, top of the dash, nice shape. Interior looks as nice as the exterior, no doubt about that. Slip around of action here that's run. As you can see by the tailpipe down here, that is new exhaust, Cherokee, Iowa, brown Chevy Buick, Cherokee, Iowa. That's where this was sold new. Still has the dealer's nameplate on it. All right, give me a second. I'm going to pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and then remember, stick around at the end of the video. We're going to take this for a drive. Get a camera set up in there, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Underside of the hood and engine bay. Very clean engine bay considering the vehicle's a 1990. Here's been a new compressor put on. It has been switched 134 from the R12. Just kind of lack of corrosion underneath the hood. Like I said, nice, clean, and tidy. Tell this vehicle is well taken care of. And once again, with the same family since it was new up till 2021. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. 507-386-1726, number to call. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1990 Chevrolet Blazer. This is a four-wheel drive, the manual lever for the 4x4 on the floor, and an automatic transmission on the column. Very clean Blazer. Our fuel gauge seems to be working. It's showing a full. Oil pressure is approximately 45 to 50 psi. Battery gauge is showing 14.5 volts and the temperature is 190. Blower motor does work on this truck. Smooth riding truck. I just set the cruise and that does function. Very nice looking interior. We have bucket cloth seats in this car. Center storage with cup holders between the seats. Our brakes are working very well. I always like these visors that actually have a slide out so you can block the sun when it's between the visors. Mostly stock sounding truck, a little bit of rumble there, which sounds good. This truck corners very well. It's not leaning too much. Feels nice and tight. Kick down working well on that transmission. Power windows, very comfortable. In the era where the truck wasn't overly huge and you could still see really well. 1990 Blazer. Take a look at all the pictures and read about this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.